Hi, my name is Tom Driver. A couple of days ago, I released a exercise tracking game called Drive Fitness, and today I'm going to show you all how to use it. When you log in the app, you're going to view your exercises. If you start working out, you need to come into one exercise and add sets in this tab. You can view your history in this tab and your records over here. Now, if you enter in just any set, you're going to get 5 gains, but if you set a new record for yourself, you're going to get 10 gains. So you're competing with yourself as you compete with your friends. Now, you set new records for these that I've already laid out for you, but if you don't care about these records, there is a way to customize them when you create a new exercise. I'm about to show you how to do that now. So you create a new exercise with the top right plus button. And if you want to customize the records, you go in here and say you don't care about 12 or 15. You can add in 20 and 25. It's important that you do this before you create your exercise, because you're not going to be able to go back and edit that. We are going to release a new update. We're going to be able to edit it, but that's very important right now that you make sure you set the records how you want to be before you start working out. You can also filter out over here by your muscle group. And then there's a leaderboard to compete with friends. You can add new friends in the upper right hand corner. And if for some reason you think a friend's cheating, you can just delete them from your leaderboard. You got a profile page with your statistics, and that's about it. We're going to be coming out with a lot of new features this semester. Really excited, but I just want to give you all a little tutorial on how to use the app. Please contact me if you have any questions. I would love to help you. Thank you.